Greetings from Team Maua. Welcome back. Today we talk about how to make blue tea from flowers. At the end of this video, you will be well versed with some of the health benefits of drinking this herbal tea. To brew a cup, simply boil blue pea flower petals in water for 5 to 10 minutes. To taste, you can add dried lemongrass while boiling the water, or serve it with honey or lime. You can also take it as a warm drink before your meals, or chilled, that is after your meals. The tea is rich in antioxidants, which makes it a great beverage that facilitates digestion. It has stress-busting effects that reduce symptoms of anxiety. It is free from caffeine, as well as contains zero carbs, fats, and cholesterol, hence ideal for weight loss. It helps in developing and maintaining skin elasticity, hence enhancing skin health. Try blue tea today and discover serenity in every sip.